All right, now we're gonna be taking a look at the ORACLE LED reverse lights for the Lexus GX460. This fits the 2014 to 2023 GX460, and this replaces the factory reverse lights in the lower bumper section of that truck. This is a full module that's equipped with 4 ORACLE VEGA 2s. So this puts out a total of 8,000 lumens when backing up at night. So that's a far cry from what the factory halogen lights put out. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside. So as soon as we take this out, we can tell this is a very heavy duty setup. This is all aluminum housings in the back. The front's a nice thick polycarbonate with this nice texture on here. What's really interesting about this setup is that these 2 lights are canted at 2 different angles strategically to give you the maximum amount of visibility when backing up at night. So you get a little bit of peripheral visibility as well as that straight back that you get from this inside one. As you can see, these have all the same clips as the factory lights, and it even has the exact same plug. So this is a totally plug and play installation. It includes the mounting hardware that you're gonna need as well as the installation instructions. If you're not familiar with the ORACLE VEGA LED pods, these are super durable lights. They come with a 5-year warranty and they have an IP69K rating, which means you could actually take this and submerge it underwater and it would still continue to work. So these are really rugged. They're gonna be able to handle whatever you throw at them. If you ever did need to replace one of these modules in the future, this is a totally modular design. So these can be removed and replaced if you ever wanted to upgrade. These are available now from oraclelights.com. They retail for about $300, and that's really not bad considering that just the Vega lights retail for about that same price. So if you've got a late model Lexus GX460, you might wanna check these out.